Hello everyone, welcome back to Can Automate. In this session, we are going to learn about Node.js installation and Java setup. Okay, let's begin with that. So for Node.js installation, first you need to go to this website, that is nodejs.org, and here based on your OS, you can install the respective Node.js. Say for example, I am using a Mac, right? So I can go and click on this Mac OS installer, and it will download the respective package for me. And if you are using a Windows, just click on this Windows installer so that it will download the respective package for Windows. Okay, once you install the Node.js, automatically it will set the path variable. So what you need to do here is you just need to go to a command prompt. If you are a Windows user, you can just go to a command prompt. If you are a Mac user, then you can go to a terminal here. So in this terminal, what you need to do here is you need to type node hyphen version, right? So it will show like this, whatever the version which you have installed in your system, also it will show like this, whether it is a command prompt or whether it is a terminal, or it is a whether it is a Windows or whether it is a Mac OS, it will show like this version 16. That means that node is got installed. After that, what you need to do here is you need to go to this appium website and install the Java. So Java is required for mobile automation. That's why we need to install the Java JDK here, right? So for example, now I'm looking for a JDK 11 version. So I can install this particular Java version from Adoptium, or I can directly install this from Oracle. Whatever you feel comfortable, you can go for that. So once I click on that, so for example, JDK 11, I just selected the version here. You can select the respective version. So for now, Java 11 is sufficient for us to install and to start with the webdriverio and appium. So click on the JDK here, right? So once you click on the JDK, it will install the respective package in your system, and you just need to double click it. I have already downloaded that, so I'm just clicking on cancel, and you just need to double click on that and it will automatically install the Java in your system. Now after installing, now we need to set the Java home path, right? Java home path in your system. So what we need to do here is, if you are a Windows user, then there is a separate website for steps like how to set up the Java home in Windows 10, right? So right now I'm using a Mac OS, that's why I'm giving the this particular URL in the description. You can go and refer that. In a Windows system, what you need to do, you need to go to advanced system settings here, right? From control panel you can go to this advanced system settings. Once you do that, then what you need to do here, you just need to select the environment variable. After clicking on environment variable, the small window opens. There you can add the Java home path. You need to click on this new button and write like this Java underscore home, and wherever your Java got installed, say for example C program files Java JDK, here it is 1.8, but in our case it is Java 11. Just refer that particular folder here and put that path here. Click on OK. After clicking on OK, you need to click on the path variable, right? Update, we need to update the path variable. In the path variable, just click on the path variable and click on edit. You'll be getting a small window like this, edit system variable. In that, what you need to do here, after semicolon, percentage java underscore home and percentage slash bin. So our Java home path got added to a path variable. That's it, we are done. Just we need to click on update. If you are using latest Windows software, then you'll be getting this kind of window, that is where you can add each variable separately. You can just click on new and you can add the respective variable here. Okay, and click on OK. Done. You are done with the setup. After that, what you can do, you can just do a Java C version and Java version, so that just to check whether it got installed or not. So it will show the respective version whatever is installed. Cool. Now coming to a Mac OS installer, right? How do we install? Once we download the Java into our system, we need to set our home path, correct? Let me go to my home path here. Just need to do vi bash dot, right, vi dot bash underscore profile. So once you go there, normally whatever the Java will get installed in your OS, right, in Mac OS, it will install in this particular directory. If you see here, I've already installed the Java. So this is how you need to write it in your bash profile, java underscore home, and after that you need to specify this particular path. Once you do that, what we need to do, we need to edit the path also. So here if you see path variable, here we are providing each variable followed by bin. Similar to that, we need to add a Java home path also here. Just enter a colon, then dollar symbol, Java, it should be in a capital, Java underscore home, right? And after that we just need to select slash, we need to put a slash and put bin, right? This is our Java home path, right? And after that type wq, and your Java path is set. Now what you need to do here is just do java hyphen version, right? So Java version is showing, Java 11 is shown. So that's it guys. So what you need to do, just you need to install the Node.js and you need to install the Java JDK, whatever the version you required. Right now we have installed Java 11 here, and this is how the path will look like. I'll just reopen that bash profile again. If you look at this, this is how the Node.js home path variable look like, and this is how the Java home path variable look like. This path you will be getting once you install the JDK. It will show the path where it got installed, right? It will show here, and after that you can directly set that Java home here. So this is for Mac users, and for Windows users I have already provided that link here. I will that add that link in the description. You can follow that and set up the Java home variable. Okay, that's it for this session. Thank you.